Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming a few essentials. Update Alight Motion and free memory so the app can use resources. First, close background apps and clear temporary files. This reduces lag during render. Once done, set your project resolution to 1080p and frame rate to 30 FPS unless you need higher quality. These settings balance speed and clarity. Make sure storage has 10-20% free because low storage causes write delays. Now tap Export to start the streamlined render process. Now optimize your timeline so export doesn't choke. You should remove or reduce expensive effects, especially high radius blur, multiple glows, or motion blur, because they multiply render time per frame. Once adjusted, replace full-resolution clips with proxy versions for long sequences to speed processing and lower preview quality while exporting. Also, check Alight Motion settings and enable hardware acceleration if available. This offloads work to the GPU and dramatically reduces lag. Finally, pick the right export parameters. Choose H, 264 or HEVC and set a moderate bitrate between 6 and 12 Mbps to balance quality and speed. Export to the device internal storage. Slow SD cards can cause apparent lag or failed writes. Once exporting, watch for overheating, pause and let the device cool if needed. If the render fails, reboot the device and try again. If problems persist, split the project into shorter sections and export separately. This isolates troublesome clips and solves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.